Here's how to use Siri without an internet connection. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to use Siri, maybe to check the weather or to ask it questions or to do simple tasks, but you don't have internet, I'll show you how it works. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, first, let's just head into the settings here. And on here, let's scroll down and we're going to tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. So now you can see Apple Intelligence is default into iOS 18.1. So I have that toggled on. Now, to be able to download Siri offline, we need to tap on where it says talk and type to Siri. And on here, you need to switch the talk from Hey Siri or Siri to off. Essentially, this means that you won't be able to just say it, but you need to make sure this press side button for Siri is turned on. So if that's off and that is turned off, you just need to make sure that is enabled. Now, by going through this process, by having the Hey Siri turned off, but the side button turned on, it will start to download the offline version of Siri. Now, I'll show you that it works. Let's go back here. And on here, let's turn off Wi-Fi. And let's turn off cell data. By doing so, you can see I have no signal whatsoever. I don't have Wi-Fi, and I don't have my cell data. But on here, all I need to do is tap and hold on that side button. What's today? What day is it? And you can see just like that, it works. It pops up with Siri and can do simple tasks like that. Now, keep in mind, there are some limitations on what it can and cannot do. And might not be able to do everything that it can do with an internet connection, but it can do a lot even if you don't have internet where you are or any cell signal. You can get through and do a lot of different tasks with Siri. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.